Hello and welcome to another update on Doge. Here on the Dogecoin chart, we are currently tracking a potential uptrend. Still, the idea is we should go higher. That's the case for most altcoins at the moment. And good news is we have a 5-wave move up from the August low, and that opens the door to higher prices. From there, obviously, we are considering that a pullback started, or we were considering that. And it's important to understand that once the price has reached support, and what is the trend? First question, trend is up. Once the price has reached support, we expect a bounce at least, maybe already a breakout to the upside. But as long as we haven't really cleared resistance, so as long as we don't really get a decisive break above resistance, we have to consider that the price might form a broader B wave and the pullback might still be unfolding, okay? So what we are doing here is we're tracking a 5-wave move up, and then we define based on that the support zone. Support is holding, trend is up. Don't expect every wave to be predicted here, right? But from what I can see at the moment, this here looks like the A wave down of a 3-wave correction. This here at the moment looks like the B wave, which has done what it needed to do. It's moved from support into resistance, and then we can get a C wave decline. So we have an A, B, C structure to the downside. And from this support zone then, a rally to the upside is expected, yeah? So 20 cents is key support. My take is, as long as we're holding above 20 cents, that scenario here is valid and plausible. Well, it is. It's based on Elliott wave guidelines and rules. So this is a key spot, key decision point, yeah? 20 cents held, and the next move to the upside should ideally take the price above this swing. So first of all, this swing high, 25.6 cents. That's something I'm going to watch for over the coming sessions. You know, maybe we do it directly, okay? Then the move to the 28.6 cent level should be next, and then ideally towards 38 cents, and then we talk about a larger rally that's unfolding anyway. Please never forget about context. So this is the broader context. What I'm tracking on the smaller time frame is basically here this blue scenario at the moment primarily, so that we have a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside, and then we could move up in a third wave, a fourth wave, and a fifth wave, right? This is the idea that a substantial low formed here. This is basically showing you the bigger picture, the context, right? And it shows you what the broader support area is, which is relevant on the daily chart, which held a couple of times. So against that, we focus on higher. That means if that micro support area I shared with you on the smaller time frame breaks, then the focus will shift back to the larger time frame, okay? Which is falling back into the larger time frame, bigger picture pattern. But I don't see any evidence for support breaking on the micro chart. So focus is on higher prices, and this gives you a bit more of the context. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.